Rules of personal pronouns. Rule 1. When used as the subject of sentence, personal pronouns are used in subjective or nominative case. Examples: A. I speak English and Arabic. B. You can do it very easily. C. He goes to school every day. D. She loves to read novels. E. It moves ahead. F. We will find a solution. G. They are close friends. Rule 2. When used as the object of a sentence, personal pronouns are used in objective case. Examples: She told me about the incident. They informed you of the accident. I told him that I would accompany him. Do you adore her? I myself did it. He told us that he was going to the market. I informed them of what happened last night. Rule 3. When used to show possession or ownership, personal pronouns are used in possessive case either as possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. Personal pronouns as possessive adjectives. Examples: My car is parked there. Your name is written here. His bike is parked here. Her mother came last night. Its legs are injured. Our university will reopen after 2 months. Their house was sold yesterday. Personal pronouns as possessive pronouns.